Ashika Rajgor. I study in grade 1 BNL Dalmia High School. Today I will teach you how to make a chocolate modak. So let's start. For that we want small pack of 4 biscuits, some cream and the mold for making the modaks. So let's separate the biscuit. From the biscuits, let's separate the vanilla cream. It is done. Then blend the biscuit. I am small, so my mama is blending the biscuit. It's done. And then take 2 spoons of the cream and put it in the chocolate dough. And then mix it nicely to make a chocolate dough. It's done. And then take the modak mold and open it and take some butter and put it on the sides modaks in the modak mold. It's done. And then close it and put chocolate dough and in the modak mold. It's done. And then take a ball of the vanilla cream and stuff it in the middle. And take a small portion of the chocolate dough and put it on the top to seal it. And then slowly open a modak mold. And see, chocolate modak is done. I hope you enjoy eating them, making them with your friends and family. Thank you.